Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about ARK, a new swing that I am in right now. Basically show you guys the trade plan just like the Roku video. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube as well as follow me on Twitter. And keep in mind that I don't have any server. I alert for a ton of servers, so check me out on Twitter and DM me on Discord if you guys have any questions. So I'm looking at this setup for ARK. We have this left shoulder, we have this head, and then we have this right shoulder. So this is a nice inverse head and shoulder, and my price target is 130. And the contract that I'm watching right now is the 13th August 122 call. So which is around $440 and my price target is 130, so that would be around 100% gain if we do hit that price target, which I'm pretty confident on. And keep in mind that this is a ETF, and inside the ETF we have stocks like Tesla. We have this Tesla, we have this ascending triangle, we have this nice gap, and then we have this wave number 5. We also have Roku. So this is a cheaper version of the Roku play, and we played Roku today, and the theta was just way too high to swing, so I sold my Roku, and I'm looking for a re-entry possibly tomorrow. But ARK will be a similar play with Roku, because Roku is inside ARK. You have other stocks like Teladoc, Square, Shopify. I'm also loving the Shopify cup and handle on the daily. So if I actually reset my settings, we have this nice cup and handle on Shopify. So right over here we have this cup, and then we have this nice handle, which I am liking. So ARK is a very nice cheap play. If you have a small account, this is a very cheap play. Regarding our stop loss, I'm looking to hold this level right around over here. So 119 will be kind of like our stop loss for Roku. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. A very simple video. I'm liking this play. As for Roku, again, same, our price target still is 470, and for ARK our price target is 130. So very simple video, and remember you guys can use this website to check your option calculator and profits in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.